So there's the Queen. Right there. And we walked.
Wonder whose imagination captured that.
I don't know, but they had a pretty good.
Yeah, really.
We started
I'll have to look back through my photos of Bryce Canyon and see if
from up there. Now say again, Tina. We went
reading
0.8
last night,
miles in
357 feet.
357 feet down.
I saw that too. Yeah, and they have it pinned down to the month that it fell off.
Yeah.
But they were hoping someone would have a picture of when it actually
357 feet
pretty neat.
down
Yeah.
in 0.8 of a mile to see the Queen.
Okay, we're going.